Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start at the depot with your game loaded. Open the garage or depot menu right away. Once there, make sure the locomotive you want is unlocked and you have the money to swap it in. Select roster, then tap the train you plan to change. This shows consist, fuel, and condition. You do this now because swapping requires a compatible locomotive in your inventory and enough funds to cover refit or repairs. Skip nothing, or the swap will fail. Once you've opened the selected train, detach any incompatible cars or helper units so you can install the new locomotive cleanly. Replace the engine from your inventory, and then adjust power, braking, and reversed coupling settings to match the consist. This matters because mismatched settings cause handling or braking issues. Make sure axle load and total weight fit route limits and refuel or repair the unit. Configuring these middle steps prevents failures during operation and ensures your train runs predictably. You finish by saving the modified consist, topping off fuel, and running a short test move inside the yard so you can catch handling quirks before deployment. Then deploy your newly configured train from the dispatch or mission screen to start the run. If anything goes wrong, like failure to attach or weird physics, first check coupling type and compatibility, then reload the depot screen or restart the game. Most attachment bugs are resolved by
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.